Hi, my name is Zach, and I'm so glad you're checking out this video about our barbering program here at Alva Beauty Collective. At Alva, our #1 core value is student success, and the way we accomplish that is by being a technique-first school. We want you to learn how to do the job, not just learn about the job. At Alva, we run a professional, high-standard environment because we're preparing you for a real career and we care about your success. The way we accomplish technique first is through what we call our Alva guarantees. Our guarantees are how we make sure you leave here confident, not guessing. Most schools are built around getting you to pass the state exam, but we know that you need more than that. You need real skill, real confidence, and a path to become a leader in the barbering industry. Some schools are built around the test. We're built around the client chair and real performance. In fact, in your first week, you'll be on the salon floor with other barber students. Another way we focus on technique first is that we offer a hybrid program. All theory is online, at your pace, and this gives you flexibility in your schedule. In our barbering program, you only come to school 3 times a week for 4 hours. We have classes in the morning, daytime, and nighttime. If you want to find out more about our program, contact us on our website where it says Contact Us, send a form submission, and we'll follow up with another informative video, and our Alva enrollment specialist will give you a call and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for considering Alva Beauty Collective. I hope to see you on a tour soon.